We have seen several investors coming into the market to providing alternative finance, and this is seen from, let's say, sell and leaseback transactions, where they're either going into a standing investment and purchasing it and giving then the existing owner cash in hand, or the other way is that they're also doing forward financing for new developments, which have been quite positive seen in the local markets, and we have seen this last couple of years several transactions that way, but also we know that a couple of owners currently are looking for doing transactions into sale and leaseback, which again helps them to fund the further development of these food retailers, in particularly since the banks, the Austrian banks, the Italian banks, the French banks have closed down the pipeline of new money coming into market like that.